Hello, Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc. And I want to do a update on another project that I've been working on. This is my ICO 950B. I have another one up here on the shelf that I've already refurbished. And this is a second one that I own that I just got finished restoring. And let me show you what I did. This is the ICO 950B is a resistance capacitance bridge. It's a very nice vintage test instrument for testing capacitors and resistors. And let me show you, in addition to cleaning it up and cleaning up the switches, I replaced a number of capacitors. Let me get my pointer here. I replaced this capacitor, one here, one down in there. Turn it over. See the work that I've done. There are 3 capacitors down there. Let's see. 1, 2, 3 down there. Here's an electrolytic capacitor here, and another capacitor there. Electrolytic capacitor here. This was a fun project, and of course, a wire wound resistor here. Put a new one there. I just did that today. And in addition to that, I replaced the AC cord. Put a brand new AC cord on here. Better quality cord than what was there. Let's see, is there anything else that shows the work that I've done on this thing? Everything else checked out to be okay. It's time to, my grandson is testing the tube that goes in there. So he has the tube at his station. And he's gonna get me that back. As soon as I get that back, I'll install the tube. Then I'll put the back on this instrument, and I'll be ready to try it out. So, till the next video, this is Dr. Kemp, having fun in my shop, and wishing you a Merry Christmas and a bright and prosperous and happy New Year to come. Because I know I got a lot to do in the new year. So hopefully you'll have something good to do too. Peace out.